Air fried chicken gizzard. You need to give this a try. Hello, this is Armel and watch me cook this. Starting by just cooking my chicken gizzard in my pressure cooker. I'm using Yeti pressure cooker today, and putting all the necessary seasoning detail is in the description box, so feel free to just use all kind of chicken seasoning that you want. Alors aujourd'hui c'est mon gizzard de poulet à la friteuse à air. Juste parce qu'on veut utiliser moins d'huile, c'est pour cela que j'utilise la friteuse à air. Et puis bon, c'est facile. My chicken is now done, and now I'll be blending onion, bell pepper, ginger, and hot pepper. So feel free to adjust depending on your likeness. If you want more heat, add more hot pepper. So you notice that I cook my chicken in a pressure cooker at poultry setting. So that's it for me. So now just blend in the chicken gizzard with the puree of vegetables, and then add salt and bouillon to your taste. And then pour this in the pan, the air fryer pan. I love using the pan so that I can keep my air fryer as clean as possible. Now cook this for at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes, and just stirring it often, every 10 minutes. And you can spray a little bit of oil on it to just make it prettier. Of course, we're using the air fryer to stay away from oil, but for the eye nourishment, you need to spray a little bit of oil on it to make it pretty, and it will help it cook quicker. So there it is. And you can notice I'm still using Yeti air fryer. I don't know why, I just love their product. Now my air fryer chicken gizzard is ready. I love eating it like this as a snack, or you can have it with plantain or with anything you want. I'm just topping it with some diced bell pepper and diced hot pepper, and a little bit of hot pepper sauce on the side. My people love the heat. Now don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share, comment. Most of all, share and share. Bon appétit les amours. Bye bye.